Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, 29 Meadow Ave, Coopers Plains. Our phone number is 0738481382, and today we have a 2013 Subaru XV, stock reference number 4393. This shape runs from the first month 2012 through to the 10th month 2014. It has an FB20 2-litre 4-cylinder petrol boxer engine backed by an automatic all-wheel drive transmission. FB20 2-litre 4-cylinder petrol boxer engine. This vehicle has sustained damage in the front end. We have the right-hand headlight, left-hand headlight. This vehicle is fitted with 17-inch factory alloy mags. The left front has a good tyre. Left power door mirror. Both left-hand doors have one small dent each. Left rear 17-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. We have the left-hand tail light. It's got a tidy rear bumper cover. Tailgate appears to have no damage. Right-hand tail light. Right rear 17-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. Right rear door has one small dent. Right front door appears to have no damage. Right power door mirror. Right front 17-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. And right guard appears to have no damage. We have the driver's side door trim, power window master switch. This vehicle is fitted with black cloth interior. It's got a black leather center console lid, automatic type console, automatic gear shifter, heater controls, factory sat nav unit, display cluster, interior mirror, courtesy lamp, left hand sun visor, right hand sun visor, instrument cluster, and a tidy 3-spoke grey steering wheel with cruise and audio buttons. I'm Chris from Total Parts Plus, and I'd like to thank you for watching this video.